number is 01DE23F1131.
And I, Muhammad Abdul Rizal, and my number battery is 01DE23F1110.
We are from DE3E. My role is boss.
And I, DJ.
Hello.
Hello and good morning, Mr. Harris. My name is Mr. John. I am interested in dealing with your account.
Oh, hello and good morning to Mr. John. Thank you for choosing our company to do business. Okay, thank you. Morning, Rose. Please come to my office to discuss our new project. Yes, sir. Please sit down. So, we have got a big project to develop a hotel in Kuala Lumpur. So, this project, I will hand over the full responsibility to you, okay?
Alright, Mr. Harris, I will do my best to carry out this project.
Alright. I will give you a month to complete the paperwork, and I hope this is enough time to do the work, okay?
Okay, Mr. Harris.
After 1 month.
Boss,
Good morning.
go ahead, boss.
So, how?
Boss, I have completed the requested paperwork.
Oh, good job, Rose. Can I see it?
Yes.
Okay. So, I have a few questions to you.
Yeah.
Okay, first, how is the budget being managed?
The project is still within budget, but we are closely monitoring the increase cost of material time to time.
Okay. Where are the material being sourced from?
Material obtained for factory recognized by JKR and very high quality material.
Okay. Next, how to handle dangers when visiting construction site?
We default protocol for working a higher and managing very equipment, daily safety briefing and PPE check conductor ensure worker safety.
Okay. So you can start this project next week, and I will ask for update from time to time. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Harris.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
After 6 months.
Why is the project lagging behind the set queue?
The project is ready behind schedule due to delay in material delivery and unexpected weather conditions.
Which tasks are running behind queue?
Excavation work and foundation pouring has been delayed due to equipment breakdown and weather issues.
When is the next site inspection scheduled?
Okay, boss, the next site inspection is scheduled for next week by the responsible party.
Who is responsible for the construction site?
The project manager and dedicated quality control team are responsible for ensuring that all work adheres to industry standards.
I have emailed you about the complaint I have received from local resident. So I hope you can find a solution to the complaint we received about the project. Okay?
Okay, sir, I will try to solve this problem as soon as possible, sir.
After a few months.
please sit down.
Thank you.
Have you resolved the complaint we received from local resident?
Yeah, sure.
Please upload to me about how you solve the problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, first,
Yeah.
how you do about resident complaint? Excessive noise from machinery, drilling or hammering.
We are aware of the noise concern and solving the approach operating cost in an effort to reduce disturbance.
Okay. How about complaint excessive dust or pollution from site activities like excavation, cutting or demolition can affect nearby homes, business or pedestrians.
We have implement dust control measures, which regulate water splashy, covering material and using dust suppressant.
Okay. About resident construction, physical or material may block roads,
Yeah.
causing traffic jam or making it difficult for people to navigate the area.
We work with local authorities the message traffic law, and ensure minimize discretion.
About local resident complaint improper disposal or collection of construction, which causes environmental pollution.
But complain, we will increase the frequency or decrease remove and ensure that all waste improperly contained to prevent the accumulation of water around the site.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, other than that, residents are concerned about inadequate safety measures,
Yeah.
such as unmarked hazard or inadequate signage around construction areas.
Yes, boss. We take safety very seriously and very ancient nature, blockages and hazard marking around the site.
Okay. About resident complaint of structural damage of discomfort due to heavy machinery and building demolition causing vibration.
We carefully monitor the vibration caused by heavy machine to ensure they are within safe limit, and we adjust the timing of certain activity to minimize the impact on UV building and disease.
For last,
Yeah, yes.
resident or business complaint that construction activities are carried out outside the permit hour.
We are committed to adhering the local regulation regarding working hours. If any work outside of the house is request, we seek proper permission and notify newbie resident in advance.
Okay. Good job, Mr. Browse. So, congrats, Mr. Browse, for managing this project well.